Siyalamukela ezwa ngendaba sesikhona njalo sithanda ukubonga kakhulu ukuthi liyasithokozelela liyasithanda sithanda ukubonga abantu abasubscribe-ileyo siyalibonga kakhulukazi labo abangaka-subscribe besicela ukuthi lichaye i-subscribe button sisebenzeni sonke sikhuleni i-channel yethu sisonke. Namhla silapha eZKS. Sifuna ukuzobona imoto ezispinayo. Imoto ezispinayo mina nginje ngasigcina eMidlands eSouth Africa. Kodwa kulo muntu osezilethe ku-backyard yethu koBulawayo khonapha after Mthunzini before the Gambidam. Siyabe sikhona apha eZKS. Siyabonga ukusijoyina. Ama-comments enu siyawathanda kakhulu. Kulabanye abasitshela ukuthi laphana uphambanisile, laphana ngabe uyenze so, kulabanye abathi laphana uyenze kuhle. Sicela ukuthi li-comment ku-video yona leli ngayibukela lisitshele ukuthi senze njani ukuze sichaze lina ababukeli bethu. Siyabonga. Welcome to Zwangendaba. Asambeni. Hello. Comfortable.
Minor Chiro.
Spare to Minor Chiro lapha. So ulandeni Minor Chiro lapha.
I'm here for the burnout track.
Okay.
So when intuthu
yakontu. Kanti intuthu akuseyo mphongo lo yazokila.
No. Do you know what people?
Okay.
Abantu balendlela yabo celebrate independence, right?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Some of us we love cars. And
Okay.
so this meeting is like Thandi Germany.
Okay.
Some of us celebrate independence. So when I'm a burnout, happy.
Yeah.
Meeting people dancing to good music.
Alright. Siyabonga mntaka. Yeah. Spare to one la. Okay. Ulandeni lapha kipi? 3 to 5 PM. Okay. IS. Yili IS. Siyabonga mntaka. So expectanga. Uzifundisela. Kuyini okumnandi nxa imoto zichibilika zichisa amaviri. Zivuka amaviri. Kuyini okumnandi?
I just enjoy sound. Yeah, we think it is your
Sound.
I enjoy it.
Siyabonga mntaka. Silethe moto zakhona. Sizakudinga futhi ngaziphelile ukuthi ukholisile mntaka. So ulandeni la.
German noise.
I-German zikabili kule Bima kule Bank. Okay. 3 to 5. Yeah, yes. Ukuthi uzibone sichisa kwamanje. So wena uphuma kuliphi lokuzibela? Hillside. Okay. Ngicabanga ukuthi lapha maybe into zegazi. Kulabantu be-Hillside siyabonga. Kulabantu be-Hillside.
I think it's
Siyabonga. So kule moto lapho uzosupporta kumbe all of the cars. Siyabonga.
Yeah, so I'm expecting at least they should
have something that is different from the ordinary.
Ujayele.
Yeah.
Okay,
At
okay.
least you should have something that is improved. Like
Okay.
it's one show.
Okay.
So that we keep on expecting more from them.
All right,
Because even
all right.
next time we try corner, we should always attend. I mean, I'm a religious attender. I never miss this.
Why?
Mina, frankly speaking, ndoda, it's my first time. So,
Okay,
ngiyaqala ukufika ndoda.
Okay, so
Bengazi into enje ikhona.
u-expectani la?
Ukuba khona kwami already noma ungasayenzakalanga lutho. I'm already happy.
Ngiyayizwa.
I'm already happy.
Okay,
Because it's my first time.
Okay.
I didn't expect
But
it.
one way to my brother, you won't regret coming here.
Yeah, you want to
It's worth everything.
It's worth every penny, yes.
Because I mean, I'm a car fanatic, so seeing different types of cars, learn and seeing them doing into Zawurapan, it's always a
When
show.
uthanda yiphi imoto kule Benz, kule BMW, kule Rolls Royce, kule Toyota, wena uthanda yiphi?
All right, it's like the GPM.
iBeamer
Because
mdala.
I'm more of a vintage guy, and I'm a vintage.
Okay.
So you check and I'm a vintage PM. You find out you sort of I'm a Busheshe and land, but I'm a Benz. Most of the time you meet I'm a latest.
Yeah, lapha kula maBenz akudala la.
Yeah,
Kula ma 325,
Exactly, you see.
328 and stuff.
So that's why, so you Busheshe some.
Yeah. BMW, lami we BMW, siyabonga. Yeah. Hola. kazi khipha mntaka baba yakholisa okwenzakala yini la ziyakhipha mntaka baba ukholisana ngwini okholisana la uyaspina sisoke mntaka baba but uyachazeka yini la uyabusuthengele kuma-stands ngathi akakuteka vele uzuteka sisoke mntaka baba sisoke kazi ayeye ngena apa siyabonga Khipani kazi I'm happy to meet you. Yazi ukuthi mina ngayenze YouTube. Magriza make me go. But lama can do.
Ayabona icontent yokusa
Sizoke mdala. So ukholisa nini?
vele mina ngithatha isimoto mdala ngithatha i-vibe kubona ukulayo mdala endaweni yewayo sikolisa sijabula indaba
Zakubulawayo.
abantu bejabulile so
siyabonga. Sisoke lathi sizometha lapha sami ukuthi sibe le content.
I content
Ku YouTube.
one time
Ngangibona lo Claudia.
yeah
Amado. What's inspired?
serious namandlovu uze be-YouTube mandlovu
Nguye. Sisoke mdala. No, mana sikolisa sibona kwenzakala.
ayithuka amathanda
Ayithuka amathanda. Sisoke kazi. Sharp. Siyabonga. Thank you so much for joining us. Sithanda ukubonga ikakhulu labo asebe subscribe-ile. Last year ngabo April ngezikhathi zona ezi sasile 500 subscribers kodwa namhlanje sile more than 2000. Sithanda ukubonga labo asebe subscribe-ile. Abangaka subscribe sicela ukuthi bakithi lenze njalo ukuze sikhulise i-channel yethu. Usiyaphela umnyaka nje sibe sesile 10,000 subscribers. Siyabonga bakithi namhlanje sise ZKS lapha sikholisa imota zisitsha amataya sikholisa izinto esazigcina singabi eMidlands kodwa hayi so kukhona in our own backyard phakathi kwemthunzini leKamidem uzabona nje kubhaliwe ZKS Spinners bla 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 ungene khonapho siyabe sesikholisa sisonke one more time asambe